So Laura, how was the night dive?
Night dive was amazing. You cannot imagine how many frogfishes. We didn't move so far, only 20 meters. There was a, you look, there is in one place, there is a one frogfish, in another, there is another one, black, brown, green, yellow. We should come one more time, but today was big waves. It was very hard to make a video and photos.
Swinging all the time.
Yeah, swinging all the time, but for sure we will go back because very tiny. Next time we will take some coins or something else, some mirrors, because then you should see how small they are. Starting from very, very tiny until like that. Biggest one was like size like that.
And that was a house reef, right?
It was house reef, yeah. And only maximum depth was 8 meters.
And minimum? Ah, that was maximum.
Yeah.
Maximum was 8 meters only.
From 6 to 8. That's
Okay.
it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Great.
Super cool dive, actually. Now I will go check what I made. What
Okay.
kind of videos I made.
Okay. And?
Follow, subscribe. Don't forget subscribe. Then you will know when Martin's next video will come out.
Okay.
I hope I win.
You will there also.
Yeah, because I'm already paid. That's it.
How much you have to pay to get to participate?
Me is 50,000 for one boat.
Ah, okay. There are many